In today's video, I will be showing you how to assign script to your images here in Google Sheets. So in previous videos, I've already shown you how to create an app script with the help of ChatGPT to create custom menus or even assign scripts to shapes. In this video, we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're assigning that script to your images. So I want to create an app script, which will be assigned to an image that will delete the entire content of my spreadsheet. Let's get started. So the first step would be to create your app script. And of course, that's going to be with the help of ChatGPT. So this is great for those who have no backgrounds in coding. ChatGPT will take care of creating those scripts that will do a specific function within your spreadsheet easily. So go ahead and open ChatGPT and create your prompt. Here is what I've typed, which is basically create an app script that will assign a script to an image that will delete the entire contents of the spreadsheet. Once you press enter, here you have the results where you will see the JavaScript or the script that it's created and the script that you're going to assign to that image. Let's go ahead and copy this. Then go back to our spreadsheet. Open your extensions here in the menu bar and select App Script. Once you click on that, it will open your app script on a new tab. And here we have it. Before you paste your script, make sure to clear everything out first. Then you can paste it. You can save that and run the selected function. Once you've run that function, it will say in the execution log right here at the bottom that it has started and it has been completed. If you're running this for a first time, you'll have to review the permissions. Once you've done that, then the execution will be completed. Once you're done with this part of your app script, you're going to go back to your spreadsheet, then insert your image. To insert your image, just go to Insert here in the menu bar, select Image, and we're going to select Insert Image over Cells. This is only possible with this second option right here because images in cells don't have the Assign Script option. So select the second option, which will say Insert Image over Cells. There you have it. Now select the source for your image. I'm going to go to Google Images right here. Just type in button PNG with no background. There we have it. Select the image that you want to use, then click on Insert at the bottom right. There we have it. So this is definitely an image over cells. There you go. We're just going to resize it and make it fit in this space right here. Now to assign our script, what you're going to do is to click on that image. Go to the three dotted line at the top right corner, click on that, and you will see the Assign Script option right here. Click on it. Then we're just going to copy the script for this image, go back to your ChatGPT, and this is it right here. Copy that, go back to your spreadsheet, paste, and click on OK. You'll see that when we hover over this image right here, our cursor remains the same. So if we click on it, it says running the script and all contents of the spreadsheet have been deleted. If we click on OK, give it a second, and there you have it. It has finished the script. So we've successfully assigned the script to do the function of deleting the entire contents of this spreadsheet with the help of ChatGPT. So if I undo that and click on this again, it will do the same thing. Click on OK, and there you have it. So that's how you can assign script to your images here in Google Sheets with the help of ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.